Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today, as usual. I really haven't been in the XRP space at all for the last, I want to say, month or two. I've been working on some other stuff. I got some pretty big swing trades in the stock market right now, with some long-dated options expiring, mid 2022, 2023, and as well as trying to create some other passive income streams. So really lately, XRP's kind of been in the background of my life. I'm still hodling. I'm still stacking. When I do find that random $30 in crypto I didn't know I had, I take that and I always convert it to XRP. On Coinbase now, there's a new Coinbase Earn token called Compound. You do literally nothing for like 20 minutes and you get like $20 in crypto, and I did that, and I converted that into XRP. So I'm still hodling, I'm still stacking. I can't say I'm as excited, but I have XRP drilled into my head to the point where it's like, you know what, I am never selling because I believe this is the next technology to really take over the world. So, not to get too dramatic, let's go ahead and let's get into the discussion point of today. We are going to be talking about the transition into the next bull cycle. Now, mind you, I have not been looking at XRP charts at all for the last 2 months. Like, Tesla, Silver, Chevron, Ford, yeah. But not really XRP. I've just been checking CoinMarketCap every other day and really haven't looked at the charts. But today I open up the weekly chart and I have a theory for how this bull cycle transition might play out. Because guys, look at the Bitcoin charts, look at Ethereum charts, long-term, monthly, weekly. It's clear we are heading for another move up, but we know that XRP, it doesn't really go at the same time as Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's kind of like the last one to pump, but when it does pump, it pumps the hardest. So looking at the XRP weekly chart, let's go ahead, let's take a look at it. Let me show you guys what I see that's kind of new. Or really, not what's kind of new. Well, I just found something new, because obviously, we're getting new development on charts, obviously, because it's, anyways, God, I'm so stupid sometimes. So here we go. First, I want to start off with this point. This was the last time XRP had hit 50 cents. Remember exactly what I was doing that day, because I pulled out my phone. I was in the foothills at a gas station, and I'm like, oh my God, that put the biggest smile on my face, seeing 0.5. I'm like, oh, nope, I'm not selling. I'm holding until $100. So, XRP hits 50 cents, goes for the pullback to the 30-cent support, plays with it for a little bit, breaks through it, and then relies on previous market structure from back here to bounce back up, head into the 30-cent range again, which is quite troublesome. In XRP's history, that 30-cent range, there is always, always, always a strong battle at the 30-cent range. I mean, breaking the 30-cent range is what led XRP to the almost $4 per XRP. Good God, I cannot wait for those prices again. So, last time we hit 50 cents, pull back, using historical support to bounce back to 30 cents, rejected by 30 cents because it's a very strong level, then down to 19, which again was bouncing a previous support, as you can see right there. All right, so I don't want to get the screen too filled up. Okay, then after the 19-cent bounce, straight to 30, and we even broke above the 30 zone. We got into like almost 35 cents per XRP. I honestly thought this was it. I'm like, dude, we're finally heading back to all-time high. This is it. And oh my God, did we get scammed. And XRP went all the way down to as I like to say, depression levels. So I really did get some bear market depression right here. But, I did buy a lot of XRP at 13 cents, so I'm quite stoked about that. But what I want you to note about this is how this bottom, I'm going to go ahead and call this our current bear market bottom. The reason I believe this is a bottom is because, it's some of the lowest price XRP like we've seen in a while, almost to 10 cents in 2020. But what did the weekly chart do? It ended up having a really, really, really nice bounce off of the 14-cent line, which is what XRP bounced off of before to head to almost $4 per XRP. So now we're beyond that. We've already had that bounce. And then now we have had this rally back to 21 cents. Got rejected, pulled back, 17 cents. Look at that. Look at that. XRP on the weekly chart especially loves to respect historical support levels. Like from back here, September 25th, 2017, bounced the 17-cent line. Went right. I mean, dude, it just keeps bouncing off these same levels, and it's starting to get kind of crazy. So it bounced this 17-cent level like it had before. Before it went up to 28. This time it led it to 33 cents. Yet again, we closed above, but just barely, which wasn't enough to satisfy the market, and then we ended up pulling back. Now, we are pretty much in, the now. What just happened? We broke and closed above previous highs on the weekly chart, but ended up having a retracement, which is coiling very tightly right here, which, I wonder why. Look at what XRP is doing. Previous historical support being respected. And now XRP looks like it's going to continue this formation to where we're going to get something along the lines of a cup. So this is really my theory here, is that what XRP is going to do right now, since it's had this crazy volatile action right here that broke previous highs, right? We just had this go on, then it's like, okay, pullback, breather, sharp but swift, move to the downside. And then what does XRP do? The buyers are strong at this zone, so it tightly coils. And I'm telling you, this is what can lead us to higher prices. But again, keep in mind, I've been wrong in the past. So what I'm really seeing here for XRP, looking at just, cancel out everything in its history, just from the last time we've hit 50 cents to now on the weekly chart, it almost seems like this is the true formation of a bear market bottom, to where it looks like it's forming this sort of cup to where, it's going to take some time, but it looks like XRP is on track to get back to 50 cents, and perhaps that's where we get the handle, and then maybe that is where we finally get our entry into the next bull cycle. So guys, this is really what I'm thinking could happen. Again, could happen. Like literally what I'm speculating on may never happen, but I'm just saying, we know that we've been in this bear market for over 1,000 days now. It does make sense for us to transition into the next bull cycle. So maybe this whole time we've been thinking, oh my God, bear market, but maybe this is just one big cup that's going to be formed, which will, again, give us a double top with resistance, and then it could give us the little handle and then break through. And then if we do that, we are, we're heading back to all-time high. What the next all-time high might be, I don't know. But this is just my theory on how the next several months might play out. Again, see how, how far this goes out. This goes out to May 2021. So again, I'm really saying like next several months. I mean, it's going to take a while to play out, but I really want to hear your guys' thoughts in the comments below on what you think about this cup forming on the weekly chart. And the stages of the cup have been respecting previous support levels from XRP's last bull cycle. So this is where it's really starting to pique my interest. Every single support you see here in this formation, it is always respecting previous levels. And that's what it's doing right now, is it's pulled back and it's found support and it's coiling tightly. Very, very tight consolidation could easily lead right back up to 30 cents, play around in that region, barrel into the 35, 40 cent, pull back. But essentially on the macro scale for XRP, we are looking for this cup to bring us back to 50 cents. This is what I think could happen. And then we get the handle, and then finally blast off, break resistance, get into the dollar range, get into the all-time high range. Now, guys, again, I'm not saying this is even likely to happen, but this is what could lead us into the next bull cycle. Guys, that is really all I have for you today. Nothing much. Really don't get too excited over it. I'm not getting that excited about it, but over the next several months, this is a realistic scenario considering every support level we're seeing in this cup so far has been bouncing previous support levels, and it looks like it's about to do it here, and I am speculating we're heading back to 50 cents for a huge battle. And then if we win that 50 cent battle, it's kind of on the way to, yeah, we are going back to multiple dollars per XRP, and that will be a glorious day. So, guys, thank you so much for tuning the video today. Really do appreciate it. Haven't made one in a while. Really glad to kind of get back into it because this formation, I'm going to be keeping an eye on this. This is very, very interesting. So, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe, check the links in the description, support the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.